learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是你的 DJ Josephine。
是
阿斌哥在这儿 ，DJ 在这儿，我们又要来介绍客语了哈。而且今天应该是谚语时间了。
超嘎，谚语时间。
Time for a Hakka proverb。
那我们今天就来教一下这个，既然是10月份嘛，
对，
我们就教跟10月有关系的。
是的，光辉的10月。
是的，好。新年笑陽春，
新年笑陽春，
無意暖文文，
無意暖文文，听起来就很温暖呢。
对啊。然后其实这句谚语我再跟大家讲一下好了。新年就是10月。
10月新年 OK, that's October, the 10th month.
对，笑陽春呢就是小陽春。
笑陽春，要去吃陽春面了。
不，
小
碗的陽春面吗？
对，
不是
啊。
其实它就是形容说10月份的，算是温度比较适宜。
对。
然后呢，有时候早晚会有点凉意这样子。
所以是小陽春 ，OK， 不是要吃陽春面哦，但是就是有点小小的太陽，然後有點小小的春天的感覺。小陽春 ，OK， so in October, the 10th month, there's a bit of springtime weather here. 然后后面一句的话，
后面叫某意，就是没有下雨。
某意 ，OK, there's no rain.
对，没有下雨的时候呢，你就觉得就天氣就很暖和了。
就温温，
对，就暖温温，
就是很温暖的。
对
I guess to really utilize this time right now, there's a bit of springtime weather here. It's autumn time, and when there's no rain, it's going to be warm. Enjoy the time while you're at it, basically. OK， 请大家好好把握这样子的一个天气。来 ，Let's hear the whole explanation in English.
October brings a warm, gentle sun without rain. This old Hakka saying praises the warm weather in October. The month experiences the Goldilocks effect. It's not too hot and not too cold as it marks the end of autumn and the beginning of winter. The temperature and humidity are just right, which makes people happy, just like early spring. October also marks the harvest season, when many farmers enjoy this time of year because they can take in the beautiful rice fields while reaping the harvest. After the annual harvest, people gather and prepare for winter.
And Leo, please read it again.
新年笑陽春，無意暖文文。
Sounds so warm. Enjoy the weather. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.